stuff.
This.
What's up, everybody? Infinite Nerdism here with Desmond. Back here. Say hi, Des. Okay, that works. Chrono Toys Chrome Mystery Box. This is the one where we could win the Chrome Batmans, Thor, Pop Asias, all the other gold stuff. Put a picture right here somewhere. But I got it right now. Could not wait. We're here at the park. I'm going to open it up. I already cut it open, but I'm just going to show the camera super quick. You ready, Des?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's open this up. I kind of already see what it is. I see it. I see it. It's one that I don't have. Whoop.
Whoa.
I have the Spider-Man. And this is the gold Chrome Iron Man. Cool.
Please, no bummer.
No. So these were only released in Australia. And this is pretty cool. Pretty good condition. Follow me on Instagram here, Infinite Nerdism. And I will have hopefully the box of fun from Funko. They haven't reached back to me yet. Or the other ones, 2 Poptopia ones that I ordered. So those are coming pretty soon. Yeah, until next time, guys. Say bye, Des. He's back there with his Batman. Focus. You gonna say bye? You say bye? All right, take care, guys.